Hello, are you struggling with your Google Ads keyword research? If so, in this video I'm going to show you how to do the keyword research the right way and then sort out your various keywords in their individual ad groups. Hello, my name is Uzair and thanks for joining in. In this video I'm going to show you a very quick and easy way to sort out your keyword research the right way. Find out the good keywords as well as the bad ones so that you can put them straight up in your negative keyword list so you don't waste money. So let's get started. You need to go to your tools and then keyword research, keyword planner, and you go to discover new keywords. I'm going to put in dentist. You can then put in the location as to where you want your the data to be from. I'll just put in United Kingdom so I can see the majority of the keywords in here which are being searched. I'll click on the column header average monthly searches so that I can sort them out by the highest searched keyword. So dentist near me is searched for 246,000 times a month. Then dentist, NHS dentist near me, emergency dentist, and so on. So you get a long list of keywords, and as you can see over here, there are 538 keyword ideas. Now what most people do is they just take a handful of these and that's about it. What we want to do is to leverage as many keywords as possible so that we can write the right ads for those keywords, because dental clinic near me will have a different ad written compared to cosmetic dentistry, compared to tooth chipped, and so on. So we need to sort these out. The problem we have is the number of keywords, because as you can see 538 keywords, and if you have to go through each one of these physically and one by one, it's going to take you a long time. Then we need to look at how we can sort these out in an organized way. So on the right hand side over here, Google has given us some really good ideas. So now they have got non-brands as well as same-day dental beauty, dental spa, best dental clinic, city dental clinic, so whichever city it's in. And then we've got other brands over here. The services, emergency, family, implants, teeth whitening. See, these are all different ad groups or possibly campaigns. You can't have all of these in the same ad group because your ads will not be relevant to these terms, because it's impossible to write an ad for all of these services. So we got to separate these out, and this is where the majority of Google Ads users make a big mistake. And then we have some more over here, smile dentist and so on. Okay, so we got enough ideas in here. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on download keyword ideas, download it as a CSV, and I'm going to bring up my Google Sheets over here. So this spreadsheet has got you've got the link in the description, which you can download for free and keep on using it over and over again. I'm going to go in here, and where is import? Import, upload that file. There it is. I'm going to replace current sheet, import, and I just need to tidy up a little bit. I will delete the top two. I don't want the currency, and competition I don't worry too much about. Delete all of these. So all I've got now is my average monthly searches and my keywords. I want to freeze the top row so that I can sort them out with the highest searches at the top. Now I've got them all sorted out. I tend not to use keywords which have got less than 20 or 30 searches. They are far too less. But just for this exercise, I'm just going to go up till there. And I will copy all of these. Then I'm going to go to the next tab and paste them here. Now, here's where the magic starts. I want to make individual ad groups. So let's say start with an emergency dentist. So you go into this pink boxes over here, and I'm going to type in. Now what's going to happen is as soon as I hit enter, Google Sheets, this is completely pre-programmed, is going to search for all these 530 odd, or it's less, I didn't select all of them, and then put them in here for us. There you go. So each one of them has got the word emergency and dentist in any order. Let's go dental implants, dental crown, teeth whitening, cosmetic dentistry. Now you can see how much time it's going to save you sorting out all of these keywords into the individual ad groups. Private dentist, I can have dental bridge, I could have I'll see if I can find some more. Urgent dental care, that's a good one. Now I can have as many ad groups as I want. You can either have them as ad groups or at campaign level. I would start off with ad group level. If one of these is performing really well, then I may take it out from there and put them in its own campaign with its own budget. But to start with, you keep things simple and you have all your ad groups with the keywords sorted out. Now you can have these keywords either as phrase match or as exact match in the same ad group. So you can copy and paste them multiple times, however your workflow is, and you've got your keywords with the ad groups set up. In the next video, which has got the description in the link to in the description below, I'm going to show you how to set up a campaign using these keywords and ad groups. So hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. I really appreciate that, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye for now.